We'll guide you through how to restore WhatsApp messages on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different ways in which messages can go and be restored. We're going to guide you through them in this video. Make sure it's the entire thing so you know the different ways you can do it. So perhaps you went and accidentally deleted a WhatsApp message, you went and archive one, or you went and unlock one, and you want to go and restore them this way. So for the first way is if you went and accidentally archive one, which you can do by dragging across and pressing archive. To go and get this back, all you need to do is come to the top of WhatsApp, and you can go and find the option for archived. Then you can go and find the one you archived accidentally and you want to get back. You can then swipe on it again from right to left and press unarchive. As you can see, it's now back in our main WhatsApp chats here. If you went and locked one by accident and now you want to unlock it and restore it back to the main WhatsApp chats, come into lock chat, so need to complete ID. To go and reveal it, you go and drag down like so, by the way. Then you tap on it, do Face ID, and what you can then do is go and find the one you want to unlock and restore. For example, I could swipe across here, press more. Then what you need to do is press unlock chat. I need to do Face ID again, and it's now unlocked. So if I then return, you'll go and see that it's just back in our normal chats. Next way is if you went and say deleted an entire chat, or you went and did something you regret doing and you want to go and restore that. So what you can do is you can go and head to your settings like so. Then you want to go and scroll down and go and find the option for chats, and you can tap there. Then you want to go and find chat backup. Now it's important to note you can only go and restore WhatsApp messages from before the last backup. If it was done since that, they will be lost. So it would need to be within the last backup. So for me, anything that happened before 225, I'll be able to go and restore. It's important to note that anything that's happened after the last backup is going to be lost as well as restoring to the backup. So it's going to be a capture of that time there. So to go and get to this backup, what we need to do is come out of WhatsApp like so. And then what you need to do is go and delete WhatsApp from your phone. So go and find it. You can tap and hold on it and press remove app. And then we'll press delete app like so. Then what we need to do is go and get it again. So you can go and head to the App Store, press search in the bottom right. And then what we need to do is go and search for WhatsApp like this. Then you can go and download it again. Shouldn't go and take too long. When it's finished, you need to go and press open. Now what we need to do is go and start the setup process, and I'll guide you through how you can then restore it. So press agree and continue. We can go and allow notifications so we know our messages come through. So here you need to go and enter in the phone number of this phone. The credentials are now being retrieved and it should automatically go and verify it. Now, as you can see, I'm getting this pop up here about restoring from iCloud, which is of course what we want to do. So we can go and restore our chat history. You can't restore it later. So if you choose not to do it now, you have to delete WhatsApp and download it again. And then what we can do is go and press restore like so and go and wait. The messages have now been restored and we can press next. I'll go and allow access to my contacts like so. Then that's it. They've been restored.